looks like it's about to, and instead, it's, you feel the and then just further fall into heavy, heavy forest below.
Oh,
and you're just well, like your cheeks are like rattling behind you. Second strike, they're gonna go ahead and pull up a dagger.
Yeah.
And
Good. Oh, shit.
it goes over your head. 14. It bends down and doesn't slam onto the ground. Oh, you
Take damage every time.
understood.
That's squirrely. That's really.
The five of you begin to drift down, still at a quickened pace, and you hear some sort of arcing energy, occasional pulses. She walks over to your lady and goes like, gives just about an inch, slides as it does. The bookcase moves to the side. Then climbs like a monkey quickly up into the upper echelons of the ship, kind of leaving you all to your own devices. You hear
sounded like that sounded like tableware. That sounded like tableware or a serving tray. Oh,
Parallel bars.
jumps down with a heavy impact. Your carriages are arranged, your troops divided, and as the doors are closed by the assistants, begins riding. You just disappear into the darkness. As it's barely holding on, it's just going, murderer, why? Why? And as it reaches for you, this energy kind of like burns its spirit away as it, and it's gone. So you come to the sound of windows breaking. Begins rotating the heavy layers and layers of chaining and release. And as it does, the cage urn begins to descend slowly.
Can't wait.
Think.
I'm gonna guidance myself and
Okay.
try to just cut through.
Okay, so as you like grinding against it, sparks flying off of it, and you begin to hear from the other room, bing, 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 bing. Like the lyre like plucks a few more, and then you all feel the ground begin to vibrate slightly, and the vibration comes to a halt. Then the door unlocks and opens, and then eventually, after about an hour, takes off. You hear the sound. And you kind of glance over and can see this like movement in the dust kind of kicks up a little bit. And then it kind of like reaches back and flings the axe out of the side of the kind of sling that's hanging upside of the belt. And it sticks in the ground right at the base of your feet, Imogen. You guys turn the next hairpin turn, and all you hear in the distance is things are like falling up aside. Ting, 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 ting. A shield like goes and rolls. Super loud, echoing throughout the chamber. This bright, burning, chaotic, swirling energy just begins to build up as you unleash it with an immense scream. You watch her get blasted and streak away into the white darkness. And you shoot a
It seems like it has air on the inside of it, or fluid, or can't tell. It's the plate of the Dawn Modern.
Yep. Get the dust off of it.
Shit!
Okay. Pike comes around the corner with like 2 books under her arm and looks like a thing of scrolls. Goes, okay, so hold on. It goes over and sets them on a table and skirts it over on the middle of the floor.
So what was the inspo for the Oblivion collection?
Cheers.
Well, things on the outside are not always what they appear on the inside. And after all, beauty lies in the eye of the beholder.
There's just a burst of flame and a scattering of ash, and Mister is sent from this realm. He kind of gives a nod and glums up.
Its head kind of lowers down towards you. It's massive, like milky, clouded eyes. Its jaw is kind of
Some like growing almost instantly. You watch as in just a matter of seconds, the sapling kind of. You hear this. The sound of shifting, creaking wood on a large scale, and colliding branch and vine.
Okay, great. Off!
The guard. What? Falls in the hole.
We're all out.
You all are there. And every now and then, as you hit a bank or a splash, birds that scatter off. And the end kind of unravels like a clockwork device into this like extended lens that seems to almost appear out of space with this like flash of fey energy.
It tries to glide out of the way, and as the bolt hits it, you see it kind of screech in your mind for a second. Yeah! And it just disintegrates into ash.
And I want to walk over and slap the shit out of him.
You're in the jungle, baby!
Screeching above in the trees.
What if I
Chamber
can just
5
make it sound
above.
like there's rats down here?
Sure.
Maybe I'll just, if they open the hatch, I'll just make it sound
What
like
if
there's
they're
rats down
friendly
there.
for some reason?
That's really good and really cute.
That is a really cute little rat.